All right, if you've been following along the course and learning the modules in the order that we've laid out, then so far you've done a lot of exploring of HighLevel's tools, setting up your sub account and making sure that you know how to use the basic functions of HighLevel, but you haven't necessarily done anything specific to setting it up for your mortgage business yet. And so that's what this section is dedicated to. To be honest with you, this is a section that got added later than the original course, probably about a year after we launched the original course. This is a section that we added in. The reason why is because the whole course has been dedicated or was dedicated to just learning the amazing tool that HighLevel is. But what we realized is that even if you know all of these things about HighLevel and you know your mortgage business, sometimes it's not very easy to draw those parallels between the two and say, oh, okay, I know how to do this and I know my mortgage business and here's the application, especially when you're learning such a crazy, I don't want to say advanced, but a crazy involved and like very robust new tool. So with that, this section is dedicated to making sure that this is set up as a tool for your mortgage business first and foremost. And so I'm really excited to go through the different sections with you. I put a lot of thought into these, and this is really what our clients get out of our coaching and our ongoing relationships with us is those parallels that we're drawing between the tool and how you use it in your business. So I hope you enjoy it. Please let us know if you have any questions or any feedback as always. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next module.